the search engine optimization works with the introduction and understanding the basic concepts of search engine optimization and all. Further, we have few more concepts we are going to discuss in search engine optimization, in a particularly about the unit 4, particularly SEO and key phrases, and how will be the link popularity, and then keywords, and then benefits and challenges, content marketing. So we are going to move ahead with this content marketing, and then strategic building blocks, content creation, advantages and challenges. Move ahead with this, we have search advertising. Today's topic we are going to discuss more into search advertising, online advertising, and affiliate marketing. So so in this chapter, these three subtopics are quite different, but somehow they have created a synergy. So this synergy is going to help you people how we can connect the digital marketing, how social media marketing has created a value added to their companies as well as the businesses. So the social advertising plays a very important role. Introduction to the key terms, concepts, advertising search, the elements of a search, targeting options, building ranking for search ads, what do you call, tracking, advantages and challenges. Online advertising plays a very important role. Introduction to the key terms and concepts, types of display advertisement, payment models for display, what do you call, advertising, getting your ads in online, how the way are online, how you are going to, what do you call, showcase your ads into the online, payment model, set up, what do you call, step by step guideline on advertising, is particularly on the online advertising. It's a kind of vast subject where we are going to restrict it to what do you call, study in a narrower way. So then we have affiliate marketing, introduction, key terms and concepts. Then going to we are going to discuss more on the affiliate marketing, how they are, what are the basic concepts or building blocks of the affiliate marketing, and how we are going to set up a campaign in affiliated marketing. And so it's always, and what are the advantages and challenges or major risks will be available in the company when the product has to be launched in the digital marketing. So in continuation with this, today's class we are going to discuss more onto the what do you call, search advertising. Yes, search advertising plays a very important role. And you search engine, before understanding the search advertising, we should understand the concept of search engine. So search engine is nothing but anything you want to find out a product or services, or we are going to look into the for the answers in terms of the business. Previously we used to go, when we go back to the 20 years back, if you want to search anything means we have a paper, yellow pages or something like yellow pages and all. Now it's very, we are into IoT, we are into AI era, where we have massively, we are going to extensively 71% the people are depending upon the Google, then goes to Bing.com. You people heard about Bing.com, where the people are going to search they for the particular product or the services, and then Yahoo, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. So this is the way, these are the importance have taken, what do you call, created an importance in the digital marketing, where search engine plays a one of the pivotal role. So why search engine is so important? Yes, for any customers, for any users or netizens, search engine provides the answers. It tells you where to find out exactly if customer wants to look for some example of hypothetical, we are looking for COVID 2019. So everyone is home quarantine and we are going to use it hashtags as stay home, stay safe and all. I suppose I want to go for Netflix, which are the movies has come. Means I'm looking for the search engine where exactly first I go to the Netflix, or so I'll go to the Google, then I'll go to the Netflix. If you have paid account, fine. The people, new users for the Netflix, what they're going to do, they're going to look for the Netflix further information on the Google. Then they get into the answers, and then they're going to where exactly the path to find out the Netflix, what are the movies are there, what are the serials or the soaps are there, how they are going to choose for this, take taking the subscription, because Netflix comes weekly, monthly once at free trial. With after that you have premium account with the what you call lots of configuration with the 650, 700. That is the different denominations will be there for the Netflix. It tells you. So look at the way how Netflix can create a business while doing the search engine. So in this way, Netflix can get a business where they can entertain the shows, some all those things for the customers or the netizens. So it tells you, search engine is always tells you what is so great about this business and how it's going to brief out the information. So for everything, Google platform plays a very important role here. So that's the reason search engine and then search advertising plays a very important role. So this is the main important concepts for the search engine. And then in addition, in the extension of the search engine, based on this what you call platform, the companies are introduced into the search advertising, where exactly search advertising plays a very important in the digital and social media marketing. The search advertising is nothing but the other names or the synonyms for the search advertising will be paid advertising. Might be you can find out, you can keep observing the customers or the people, the users or the netizens. They're looking in the, if they have social media account or if they have Google account, they used to see many so Google ads by doing the, many companies are going to create a search advertising where they are going to make the promote their product or their services to make a business. So it's very easy platform. And then optimization, there will be a huge profit optimization will be there. Before that, the profit optimization, the what do you call the investment for this search advertising when compared to other like active PR, other integrated marketing communications, like if you want to create an advertising or you want to produce what you call screen your advertising on the prime over, it takes more than crores together to what you call to launch your advertisement for 20 seconds or 30 seconds, less than a minute. So but it's very easy here in search advertising when using the Google platform. So these are the overview of the search advertising. Move ahead with this, we have, so search advertising, we call it as exactly right. Search advertising plays a very important. Search advertising is also known as paid or search advertising. Here, search advertising, Google, search advertising will also. I already told you people, it's referred as paid advertising or paid search advertising. So, Google advertising and search engine market plays a very important role in digital social media market, where this search advertising is directly proportional or helps to the online advertisements in search engine results. Business who place their ads in the search engine results, it may be a small fee. Suppose I want to make Google AdWords for the if I want to sell my smoothie, because now the summer is there, I just want to sell a vegan smoothie where exactly 85, 92% or 97% sugar free, and then all the ingredients are natural flavors and there is no chemical will be added. In the sense, what I'll do is search engine plays a very important role here. So we are going to ask about search engine, particularly about how the search engine is going to be pay per click. This is called as paid search advertising. This is a concept. Pay per click plays an important role in the search advertising. Search advertising is a powerful form of advertising because every time Google wants to know about what kind of advertising the advertisers are going to create, that is called the intent, what exactly the customer wants to buy from your product, and what exactly the keywords we are going to use for the ads, particularly about searching for the searching for the specific product or their services. So this is the overview of the search advertising. Move ahead with this. We have heard about this Satya Nadella. He always says, AI is just a piece of technology. It could be one of the world most fundamental pieces of technology of human race have created. So this is the why I've considered this one as, because this is the one way where exactly they considered that they have used this AI is just a piece of technology. It will be one of the world most fundamental of technology in the human race are ever created. Because this is the era where exactly majority of the search advertising taking place in the digital platform. Search advertising can be done in Facebook, Instagram, and then YouTube massively with the low cost. So this is the, what do you call, this is the kind of in digital marketing, we have so much of opportunity. With the less cost we can project our company product or their services. So move ahead with this. This is the overview of the how paid search advertising will works. As we discussed step one, we are going to discuss about the keyword research. Let's take an example of Amazon. I want to project, I want to make my, what do you call, I want to sell my product smoothie into the Amazon means I have, before going to doing the search advertising, I have to create a proper advertising content. The content is very essential for that. For that, I used to the whatever the product is there, for that you have to bring a relevant content for that. It's a keyword is very essential. Everyone in the entire universe depending upon the hashtags and then keywords. It is the two kinds of what you call powerful techniques where the people are getting into the finding out the number of products or services will be available in the market. So as a keyword search is a plays a very important role in the pay per click process of search advertising or paid advertising. So based on the keyword search, we need to create a ad creation. How we are going to create smoothie? It is for what you call, it is sugar free, sugar free, and then vegan diet and LT nutritional drinks. A drink I can put it as all with the using with the help of the hashtags. The step number three will be the what exactly my landing page development. What is the layout of the web design for the particular about the search advertising? How the landing page will be developed here, and what kind of account I'm going to set up. For this account, we have one is permanent account and a temporary account setup. So is it my short duration account or it's a long duration account where my product will be available and across the Google account across the 365 days? That's going to be discussed, giving a more information on the account setup. And fifth will be the tracking and installation and setting. How will be the content of the particular product and how the ad creation has done, and then how we are going to launch the campaign, and then how will be the feedback from the customers or the users or the netizen about the monitor performance, then evaluation or assessment. This comes under the feedback analysis and the feedback. Again, go back to the process with the cycle will repeats continuously. So this is all about the search engine advertising. So in this search engine advertising, we have kind of types of search engine advertising. Majority of the startup companies or the industries, they are going to use more into Google AdWords. Google AdWords play a very important role when compared to Bing Ads. Google is the most popular platform with a large margin through small advertiser to make use of the Bing Ads, which gives an additional value in the Bing.com, where exactly it's offers for the lower cost. Whereas in AdWords plays a very important role here. How the in this AdWord process, where they are going to make a bidding. So I want to what do you call it, do a search engine advertising. Google AdWords in that platform I smoothie for next 7 days means, take an example of each day 500 rupees for the Google AdWords where I'm started bidding for the results and all. That comes under the how it works in the Google Ad for next 1 week. That comes how you are going to do the bidding. Bidding will be done with in terms of the duration. The duration starts from the day to weekly, monthly, and quarterly and yearly. Depending upon that, each company wants to do a good, wants to have a tie-up with the Google AdWords. So they have particular what you call, they have a finance estimation cost for that, how much for the 1 day bidding or for 7 days bidding or 15 days a month or across 365 days. The company is going to give a financial statement estimation cost where exactly your product will be launched for that. That comes under your bidding in the search engine. That is called the paid advertising. Bidding is nothing but we are going to pay for that in Google AdWords and in YouTube and Instagram, where you can number of likes will be increased in Facebook, Instagram, and then we are going to boost the ads in YouTube also. That presence will be there. That comes under from the paid search advertising. We call it as bidding. So that is called, once the bidding increases, we pay for that search advertising means it automatically it reflects to your quality score. Number of likes will increases, number of visibility of your advertisement will be reached many viewers, and then people will come across about particular about the product, and then people are going to start using your product, going to buy the product. This is called the quality score. The quality score is one of the kind of search advertising way which is very essential in the online, which is essential in the digital marketing. It encourages the advertisers to create a high quality and relevant advertising campaign that serve the search engine users as well. If you're trying to make it as a spam in the search results, so which is completely irrelevant. So and then they have low quality content and you will have hard time making ad works for you. So the quality score makes a very essential here because sorry, quality score is very essential here because that is the quality score brings the relevant content for the advertisement. Suppose take an example of McDonald's. 2 years back, 2 to 3 years back, McDonald's wants to develop a search advertising. They have used a digital platform while using the blind concept. Blind customer, how they use the McDonald's, how the customer satisfaction taken considered from the McDonald's while blind people have given the feedback for the McDonald's services as well as the products. This comes under your quality services. These are the Google AdWords, and then quality score, and then Google AdWords as well as quality score. These are the three types of search advertising plays a very important role. So move ahead with this. This is the overview of the search advertising, how they work. So this is how does Google determine how Google AdWords work. AdWords is going to work here. So once you enter your action, Google looks into two key factors actually. So one is when you want to rank your product. Suppose you have seen in your Amazon, you want to buy some JBL microphone, JBL headset, or something like what do you call iPhone, iPod, or something like that. That time you will come to know how many ranks customer are given to the ranking about the product, and then what about the number of feedback the customer is given, how many people have viewed this product. That is comes under, that's all the this kind of results will be reflected in the maximum bid and your quality score. So here we are going to determine or evaluate the had rank. Had rank is nothing but it is equal to the combination. It's what do you call combination of the CPC bid as well as a quality score. We are going to discuss this CPC bid and all in coming slides. So this is the best combination where exactly your had rank position will increases and number of quality score is also going to increase. So move ahead with this. This is a kind of, I've given a simple example for you people. I want to know air purifiers now. Where exactly is how the search advertising works. Sometimes air purifiers you will find out there will be a ads will be given here. So it might be olans.icc. So here air purifier expert will be available. So clean air solutions will be available. So where exactly you can find out some consumer reports, home depot. Sometimes air purifiers will be available. These are the organic results. These are genuine results where you can get the products and all. Whereas in these are the Google ads where you can identify how it works. Suppose you want to have, or you want to take a service from the Zomato or Pizza Hut. Where exactly in Pizza Hut you want to have pizzas like something like Italian pizza. For me, I'm an Indian, so I look for the more into vegetable pizza, Indian pizza and all. Where the first two pages it comes, pizzas will come in the so one of the Facebook where we can order the pizza. From Instagram also where we can order the pizza. Whereas in organic results where you can get into the Pizza Hut, where you can go into the Swiggy or Pizza Hut website, or where you can get into the Zomato where you can order. So these are the things will be applicable here. The important to set up a Google account here where you're going to do the search engine advertising. Nowadays you can set a Gmail account to reflect your business domain. So you can do everything from your Gmail account. This will allow you to advertise on Google through the AdWords. So the more you bid the AdWords and better you can get your visibility of the product, and which in turn it increases the sales. So in addition to this, we have further about search engine. These are the use of the Google products. You know how the Google products works. So we can go for the Google AdWords will be inserted in the both YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and then Instagram, where exactly we can we can launch our product through the digital platform. And then how to get started. Suppose I have a budget of 1,000. I told you people the budget will be there, the estimation cost will be there for the each and every country. So I'm going to budget at least 1,000 a month for online branding or marketing. So sign up for the G Suite, we call it as, to set up a business in the Google Mail. These are the procedures where exactly you people can set up a Google search advertising actually. So budget will be at least for each and every customer's budget can be differs from one entrepreneur to the another entrepreneur, or one company to the another company. For this, what we supposed to do is, I'm a new startup company entrepreneur, budding entrepreneur. So I started with the budding, what do you call, invest for 1,000 rupees for a month for online branding with the help of small. I just want to make my brand will be visible, where I can use my with my own knowledge proficiency, and where I can develop a ad for this, where I can boost my product or services in 1 month for within the budget of 1,000 rupees. So for that, what is the procedure for that? We should always, when you want to do your AdWords, you want to launch your campaign, means you look for the G Suite. G Suite is very important. G Suite is very important here, where exactly you can set up the business in the Google Meet. So place a Google ad so that it's found to Google search engine and by the Google keywords. Yes, we are going to create 4 to 5 lines of the ad, particular relevance to the particular product or their services, and I'm going to buy particular, I'm going to get an access to the Google ads, AdWords, particularly about paying certain amount of money, where Google search engine can buy these keywords, and they're going to create a Facebook page, Instagram page, as well as a Twitter page also, to update all your business, and along with the pictures and what are the customer feedbacks have given, and about the entire your company vision, logo, how they're going to serve the purpose, what exactly the status given by the customer feedback into your business, and all everything will be made it properly. So and then place the Facebook ad. It's not only the Facebook, it's going to place the social media, place their ads into the social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, as well as nowadays the people are going to use even Tumblr also. So these are the enough content your page that would be convinced to customers to contact you. So no one knows that we are going to book the ticket from sometimes in the Facebook also. If you want to go to a movie, means I don't know, there is no need to book a movie from always for me Inox and go to the Inox website, or what do you call Cinepolis, or I want to go to the PVR Cinema Movies website, and nothing like that. Look at the way how search engine advertising taken care by the Book My Show. If you want to watch some movies, in the sense, they're going to give you plenty of things where exactly the nicely they have done with the search advertising for the Book My Show. Each and every customer, or the every what do you call, people looking for the services for the Book My Show rather than any other Paytm. No, they're going to use it for the Paytm. Through Paytm also we can book it, but the majority of the people are going to look for the Book My Show, where exactly they can book it. That is the way we have. So similarly, I just here proposed a one of the search ad where I've displayed you people. Look at the way how search ad will comes sometimes in Domino's Pizza, and there will be a Pizza Hut, and there will be a people will be there for new, or what do you call, offers will be there. So these are the few jargons or the tactics how you want to make search advertising in the digital marketing. So for in search advertising, we have created Facebook page for to create a Facebook page, as well as Facebook groups also they wants to make to reach the customer in a maximum way. That is called the search advertising. So there is no need we should download the app of the Domino's Pizza or Pizza Hut, where I can order the food. You can also order the food from your Swiggy, Zomato. Similarly, you can order the food from the social media websites like Facebook. Sometimes you will order from Instagram directly. So that is the potentiality we have. The social media or the social media websites have potential to order it directly. So this is the search advertising where exactly Pizza Hut company will be available maximum all the platforms, particularly about Facebook. The first thing what they will do is they create a Facebook account. Also, they are going to create a Facebook page where exactly they can what do you call, reach the maximum people in India, maximum customers. What are the what do you call offers will be provided? They are going to, by using using Facebook, they will come to know what is the offer is now. Now it's between, for the time will be going to be 12 quarter. 12 or 1 o'clock means what will be the deal for the Pizza Hut where I can order the pizza for nominal cost, because Asians are very price sensitive. We don't look for the highest cost. We always look for the deal. What is the best deal is going to give it to us for the customers provided from the Pizza Hut. And also this is the way how search advertising helps for the Pizza Hut to increase their sales and reach to the many customers. So these are the Twitter posts, how they're going to use very well while using the hashtags and all. So look at the way if everyone, you people also come to know how the people are using hashtags when you get to the restaurant when you pizza. We are the Indians or we are the people with the either social media website, might be a Facebook or might be a Instagram. People are fascinated with them by using the app. Then you are going to put in the other people can view that post and they able to for them motivate the other customers to buy the product. So this is a Twitter post for the services where exactly the status place everything we are going to upload in that. So that using the hashtag will be creating your own content where exactly your profile user profile will also be a number of people are going to view your user social profile as well as the what kind of products you are going to use, and then companies also get benefiting companies also get benefit from this. So it's a kind of win-win situation for the social media users as well as customers as well as the company also. For this I have a one video. I'm going to tell you how search engine ad works. So just a second, I'm going to share that video for you people. Right, where is the one sec? Just a second. I'm going to share it with you people.
Campaign budget is rupees 5,000. This is the maximum amount you are willing to spend throughout the duration of your advertising campaign. You will only pay when shoppers click your ad, and you can pause the campaign at any time. Decide how long you want to run your ad. We recommend setting the duration for at least a month to test your first campaign. For pacing, you want to deliver the campaign as quickly as possible to maximize the opportunities for shoppers to see your ad. Next, target your ad using keywords. We recommend starting with 30 to 40 keywords and relevant to the product you are advertising. To increase visibility, choose phrase match to display your ad to shoppers who include your keywords in their search. For example, if you phrase matched wireless headphones, your ad would appear on results for red wireless headphones or wireless Bluetooth headphones.
Even though
exact match only shows your ad to shoppers who type in your exact keyword.
People can
Next,
create this
set
ad.
your bid. Bid the highest amount you are willing to pay for a click and click ad. Now customize your ad with a text headline. Create an ad headline that's engaging and interesting to shoppers. Avoid using unsubstantiated claims in your headline like number one or bestseller to help ensure your ad is approved.
Yes.
You can also change the brand name that appears on your ad. Next, choose one of the product detail images that you want to focus on. Select up to 3 different product images that you want to feature your ad. Finally, click on Submit your campaign for review. We will usually approve your ad within 24 hours, but it can take up to 3 days to be approved. We will send you an email when the ad is approved. After the ad is live, you can optimize the campaign as it runs by viewing performance metrics like clicks and sales. That's it. You can now create your headline search ad at ams.amazon.in.
This is a simple example. Look at the way how search advertising plays a very important role on digital space. So it's I spoke about you people about 1,000 rupees. Look at the way now the people are looking for this search engine ads, particularly about what do you call more than 1,000 rupees. 10 rupees they have started. How the Amazon is providing a platform for the new companies where they can do the search advertising ads where they can get the what do you call they can reach maximum customers across the globe where they can promote their product. So this is a one type where exactly the companies are looking to the search advertising. Going in continuous